friends. This is Miss Cecilee from the Warren County Public Library. We're going to be doing some yoga together, but first, let's do our welcome song. Let's do our head, our shoulders, our knees, and our toes. And then we remember we've got to come up to eyes, ears, mouth, and nose. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. All right, my friends, let's sing that together in 1, 2, 3. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes, knees and toes. All right, my friends, we are going to be practicing opposites yoga together today. Can you make yourself big in volcano pose? We're nice and strong. We're as tall as we can get. If you want to get on your tippy toes, you can real quick. I'm going to stay down here. I still feel pretty big. All right, let's breathe in through our nose as we come down to touch our toes. And then we're going to put our hands down on the ground as we come into child's pose to be small. Let's do that again. Let's step on our toes and walk them towards those feet, coming all the way up. And when we were big, we were in volcano. Good job. Let's breathe in nice and good together through our nose. And exhale, let's breathe out as we touch our toes. And we're going to be small in child's pose. Fantastic. If you want to slide off your feet and take a look at your toes or your shoes, if you're still wearing shoes, you can practice yoga in anything. Today I've got jeans on, I've got tennis shoes, I've got layers on. Whew, you can tell. All right, let's reach up nice and tall, and we're up. And what's the opposite of up? Down. Can you all touch your toes or your shins, or the tops of your thighs? Oh, let's come back up. Let's inhale up. And the opposite of up is down, so let's go back down. Inhaling back up. And exhaling back down. Good job. Can you go wide? Can you spread your feet wide? Let's sit up nice and tall in this stretch. And can we shut our feet to be narrow? So there's narrow, and the opposite of narrow is wide. Can you all make yourselves wide up here? Good job. Oh, let's bring that back together. Let's breathe in. And let's go back down in our forward fold. Whew. Goodness, Miss Cecilee's getting warm. Maybe you can't do yoga and everything. Whoops. Okay. All right, my friends. Can we be quiet? Let's breathe in like a bunny. Let's do that bunny breath together. Let's breathe in. Let's breathe in. And snip, 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 snip. Can you all breathe in together too? Snip, 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 snip. I'm just making silly sounds today. All right, my friends, so we were quiet. What's the opposite of quiet? Loud, right? So let's sit on our knees and do our lion breath, because a lion is a lot louder than a rabbit, and there's another way they're opposite too. Rabbits are usually small, and lions are usually big. So let's be small in our rabbit breath one more time, just one more time. Let's breathe in. And now let's be loud with lion. Let's breathe in through our nose. And then we're going to roar on our exhale. So let's breathe in together. That was so scary. That was so scary and so fun. Can we do another one? Let's breathe in. So let's see, what opposites did we talk about today, my friends? We talked about being big, and the opposite of being big is being small in child's pose. And then we went up and down in our staff pose, and then we were up in our staff pose, and the opposite of up is down, which is when we went into our forward fold. And our last one we went over was going wide and being narrow. Good job. All right, my friends, I let you off the hook today. I don't have any books for you today, but be sure to catch our story times that are coming up on our social media. Be sure to keep your eye on when summer celebration is going to get started. Be sure to check out our webpage for all sorts of info on that. And that's all you've got from me today. I'm going to say namaste, which is a very, very old way to say hello and goodbye. And it also just means you're cool and I'm cool. And because we're both cool, we're cool with each other. And isn't that just great? I like that. All right, my friends. Namaste. Thank you.